Hi English 131 students, welcome to week 2. Last week you had video lectures to watch that introduced you to writing in the arts, humanities, and social sciences. I also provided a video lecture on climate change and community. You should have watched all those video lectures and taken careful notes so you understand what the purpose of this course is and what you're expected to do throughout the semester. For week 2, we're going to be introduced to our first reading. It is Henry David Thoreau's Walden. Henry David Thoreau is the author, and Walden is the title of the article. It's actually a longer work, but this is just a section of it where he lived for a short time near Walden Pond in Massachusetts. Okay, you'll notice that you'll notice that the article is located right here, and that is a PDF, and it is rather long. I want you to take some time. I'm giving you the whole week to read it. Okay, so it's 17 pages long, which isn't terribly long, but give yourself some time to read it. And it's one of the most important texts in what we call the American Transcendental Era, which is roughly the middle of the 19th century, so the middle of the 1800s. There was quite a few transcendental writers at that time. Thoreau, Ralph Waldo Emerson, Emily Dickinson, Walt Whitman are all kind of lumped together as transcendental writers. Okay? You'll notice that we also have a video lecture right here where I'm going to go over the article and just point out a few things that I find to be important. Watch that video lecture and make sure you take notes after you read the article. You then have a discussion board which is due on September 5th. Make sure you write an original post and respond to your classmates' posts to receive full credit. Make sure your post is substantive. It's more than just a sentence or two. It should be a paragraph or more. Okay? This is how I grade your participation throughout the semester. In the Wednesday folder, you have a video lecture on how to research scholarly sources and use the databases for these articles. Because research will play an important part of this term, I want you to kind of get your head wrapped around what I mean by scholarly sources. So make sure you watch that video lecture and take careful notes. And later on in the semester, you might want to return to this video lecture to understand what I'm talking about to refresh your memory, okay? Because you will need this later on. So make a note that it's located in the Wednesday, September 3rd folder. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, I have a Zoom office hours, which you'll notice the link is just above this video lecture. So if you have any questions, stop by my Zoom office hours or just send me an email. I'm happy to help out in any way I can. Have a great week. I look forward to working with you. Take care.